Hello, my name is Cassondra Walker, and I will be demonstrating hair braiding to you. Hair braiding is at least 5,000 years old or even older. Hair braiding in Africa can be traced back as far as 3500 BC. It has been a large part of many cultures around the world, including Africa, the Americas, Asia, Europe, and even Egypt. In Africa, hair braiding was a social event among women. I was introduced to hair braiding as a child when my mother and grandmother used to braid me and my cousin's hair often. I learned how to braid by watching others do this process. I began braiding hair when I was in the fourth grade and have been braiding since. Braiding hair is a very easy process. It's just a few rules that you have to remember while doing this. You have to be very gentle with the person's head and just put yourself in the person's shoes and think about how it would feel to you if they were in your head. Today, I will be using Cassondra Abram as my model to demonstrate braiding hair to you. Hello. Some of the materials that you would need in doing this process is a comb, a brush, some rubber bands, and of course the hair. First, you comb or brush the hair through completely to get rid of all tangles and knots that can be hidden in the underlayers. Knots and tangles can cause big problems when you're trying to braid the hair, so be sure that the hair is clear of any of these. Step 2. Part the hair in a section. Be sure to make sure the hair is straight. Separate the hair into 3 sections. A large section with 2 and one section with just one piece of hair in it. Take the 2 sections of hair in one hand and take one in the other. It doesn't matter which hand, just use 2, of course. Use whichever hand is comfortable with you to start this process, because either way it goes, the 2 sections will cross as the process begins. Place the single section of hair between 2 sections by pulling the other section across over it. And continue doing this till you get to the bottom of the head. Once you get to the bottom of the head, you have to put a rubber band on. As I said, this process is a very easy process. Just continually overlap the hair. When you have about an inch of hair left, you will get the hair and braid it to the end and put a rubber band on the end of the section. Hair braiding is a very easy process, but when you're beginning to learn, it's very hard. It may take several tries before you get the hang of it, but don't give up. The first try, it doesn't matter. Just keep on going. Once you do, it'll become a very easy process, and you can put your own freestyle in it and make it into a style.